Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Acuity Scheduling to Google Calendars. First, head over to Acuity Scheduling and log in to your account. Here you can use your Google one. Now, just select an account to continue. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, go to Sync with other calendars. Then, choose on Google Calendar. Now you have the option to connect, so just go ahead and connect to it. Now just select your Google account and continue. After that, select All Access, scroll down and continue. For here, you now have to select the calendar you want to connect. For example, is I'm gonna choose on this one. After that, you can go and block off time from another calendar. Now you can set a reminder or hide event title. Once done, just go ahead and save it. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now successfully connected to your Acuity scheduling. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.